Mic check, 1, 2. Mic check. Looks like we're on. Hello, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining us today. It is Friday, the 5th of November, 2021. Here in Arizona, it's about 10 minutes before market close. And just wanted to talk about some dip buy opportunities and follow up to some of the online gaming stocks that I posted some videos on. If you've been following, then hopefully you can keep up with where we're going with this. First and foremost, this video is for entertainment purposes only. Hopefully you're entertained. If you are, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel so it can grow, share it with your friends and family, and we'll try to put out some more content as it comes along. Dip buy opportunities, big ones today. Penn National Gaming still down. It's down. Yesterday it reported its earnings. It was down 20% on the news of the earnings miss and the allegations against David Portnoy, which look like they're starting to work themselves out. I was able to scoop up some more shares today, put some more shares in the bag at 60. It got down as low as 57, so wanted to catch some more at 60, add on to my position in Penn, and looks like it's trading right around $62 right now, $61.97 as we speak. I see a lot of upside in Penn. I think it was an overreaction to the allegations. The beat or the miss was not as good as we wanted it to be as far as the estimated earnings per share. But Penn definitely will work itself out. There's a lot of forward movement, especially in the state of New York. And I know Dave Portnoy with Barstool Sports is going to figure out how to work things out. So I really wanted to post this video today so we could come back in a week, a month, 2 months, and see where these positions are. I'm not recommending anyone to follow the same buying patterns that I follow. I'm putting it out there to let you know what I'm doing. Definitely not financial advice, but I do want to be transparent. So I was able to pick up Penn today. DraftKings, I was waiting on earnings and looking for their new subscriber or their new user, monthly users. And their monthly users rose 30%. Their cost of acquisition and advertising did bring the price of the stock down. We're now down 10% on the month. Got as low as 43.77, maybe a little bit lower, give or take. And I was able to buy today and add to my bag at 43.85. Now remember, DraftKings in the past month has been over $50. So let's see where DraftKings goes. Still optimistic about DraftKings. I still consider it a very strong buy under 50. If you're holding this long term like I am, which is anywhere from 1 year to 5 years, I like DraftKings under 60. I see this as a triple-digit stock, and I do believe that DraftKings is the king when it comes to online gaming. The next dip buy that I bought today is I bought Peloton, and I started a brand new position in Peloton. Peloton is one that back a year ago I would trade options on. Didn't want to necessarily invest in the stock because I consider it a stay-at-home play. However, when I see a stock go down 35% down to 56, I ended up buying today and creating a position today at $56.30. Now remember, this was $85 1 month ago. So let's see where Peloton goes. Very optimistic about Peloton. There's a company that is most people just consider a sports equipment company, but really it's an information technology company and subscriber company. And even with the stay-at-home theme trend kind of slowing down, I do still see Peloton gaining in subscriptions and new users, and they're very innovative in what they do. So I'm looking forward to adding to my position now that I've started a position at 56.3, and I will consider this a strong buy, probably all the way back up to $80. Last but not least today, Zillow. Now, we all know that Zillow was down. It's been down 35% this week. Zillow was trading over $100 within the past month. and it traded as low as 67. I was not able to add to my bag at 67, but I did add on my position at 70. And then I added again at 67 when it dropped back down to 67. So I'm feeling good and confident about Peloton or about Zillow. I think once they get the shadow that's being cast over the home flipping or home buying and then reselling element, when they get that out, then Zillow will continue to go on. Now, there is some trepidation when it comes to Zillow because Zillow is tied into the housing market, and with the rates, the fear of rates being raised would slow down the buying. However, Zillow is a strong company and it has a very solid platform. It's got good cash reserves, a low overhead, solid management team, and I think Zillow, as far as a long-term hold, is a good buy anywhere under $80 with a retracement, but an incline back up to the $90, $95 range. What do the analysts think? Go ahead and go on to tipranks.com. You can take a look and see what the analysts have to say about it. Again, I am reiterating a buy in Penn under $60, $65. DraftKings anywhere under 50. I like it as far up to 60 if you're looking at holding this thing over 1 year, between 1 to 5 years. And Peloton's kind of a risky one. Again, anytime I see a drop of 35% in a stock with a company that has solid fundamentals, I'm going to put some money into it. So I just start my position in Peloton. And then, of course, Zillow. Remember, with these growth stocks, you're going to get some volatility. You're going to get some highs and lows. So just like yesterday's video said, find a company that you can explain, that you know what it does. If you're investing in a stock or a company and you can't explain to someone, give them what's called an elevator statement. So imagine we get on the elevator at the first floor and I'm getting off on the third floor and you're getting off on the seventh floor. You have to explain to me what that company does by the time it gets to my stop. If you can't do that, then do your research on it until you can, because we really need to have conviction in our stocks. When they drop and we have conviction in them, it's a lot easier to hold on and to, if you're dollar cost average into those so you can bring your cost basis down. So when a stock does retrace and hit that base, then it fires back up and you're in position to make money. And that's really the moral of the story when it comes to investing, is you need to be in the right position. You may have heard before, it's not timing the market, but it's time in the market. And if we get in front of these plays and we buy when everyone else is running, when Warren Buffett says is when there's blood in the street, we have to go and buy, even if it's our own blood. And on these four stocks, Peloton being down 35%, Penn National being down 20%, DraftKings being down over 10%, and Zillow being down 35%. Hopefully you're able to take advantage. Hopefully when we come back on here, maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks, maybe a month, could be a year. It doesn't matter. These will be long-term holds for me, minimum of 1 year up to 3 to 5 years. With DraftKings, I'll probably continue to hold on to that between my 5-year to 10-year range. Last but not least, it's important that we make our money work for us. So if you're constantly chasing a dollar, you're working for your money. But if you have your money invested in a solid, sound position, then your money's working for you. And it's an amazing thing to be able to go to sleep at night knowing that your money is not sleeping, that it's going to wake up with you, it's going to work for you, and it's going to pay you off. So stay convicted, stay away from the fear, the uncertainty, and the doubt, and just set a budget and invest in yourself. Invest in your future. The best bet that you can make is a bet in yourself. And I hope that we all have a good Friday, that the market closed in the green for all of us, and that come Monday we can start a fresh week. There's a lot of exciting news going on Monday. I'll try to put some videos up over the weekend and see where we're at. Again, if you did like what you saw today and you made it all the way to the end of the video, thank you for watching. Please leave a big thumbs up. And hit subscribe if you want to hear more content. Share with your friends and family. Until then, we'll see you on the next one.